This yoga teacher generates 2 crore 3 lakh 57,103 rupees. Now you only tell me what is stopping you. You are also a yoga teacher, right? You also having a good expertise in yoga. You're having a passion in yoga. But what is that something stopping you to increase your yoga base, increase your yoga client base, increase your student? What is that something? Let's figure it out. Now, before getting deep down into the video, right, I must say, you can also do it. First thing first, in order to do it, you are not required a technical knowledge. Second thing, in order to do it, you are not required to, have a offline studio. In order to do it, you're not required, much expertise. Now let's talk about how you're gonna do that. First thing first. Now try to understand this. See, she is also a yoga teacher like you, might be less experienced than you, right? Her name is Evie Carver. Okay. And as you can see, last updated, she created a course in yoga. Yoga in which field? Yoga for mobility, right? Mobility. So what she does is that she created a course on yoga for mobility. Now I don't understand why you all yoga teachers, you know, teaching to a general audience. Why don't you categorize into a specific field? Yoga for face, corporate yoga, yoga for mobility, yoga for fertility, yoga for prenatal, yoga for PCOS, PCOD, yoga for back pain, yoga for headache, yoga for better sleep. Why don't you specify your niche, your domain in this manner? I know yoga is a holistic approach, but still, in order to increase your client base, in order to increase your student base, you need to present your work in this manner. Then only you're going to beat the competition. You are not alone. There are millions of yoga teachers, millions of yoga practitioners doing the same thing. Okay, try to understand this criticality, and it is really very easy. Can you see this? How she has done? Okay, yoga mobility. Okay, so she created a course on yoga for mobility, and you're not required to go all the time live. Can you see this? She just created 3 hours 45 minutes of yoga course, and you can also do it with the help of your phone, with the help of your laptop, with the help of your tablet. That's it. You can also create it. Can you see this flow, right? Flow. Okay, in this flow, see, added some kind of description. In this sequence, we will flow smoothly through a continuous series of poses. Synchronize breathe with movement. Can you see this? All lessons are 15 minutes. We all have 24 hours, right? Why don't you utilize? Can you see? Even if you create a one video lesson of 15 minutes, of 10 minutes, you're not required to go with 15 minutes, right? Start with 5 minutes. And you will see in the mid of month, you're going to have entire video lessons ready with you. And in the next lesson, I'm going to tell you that how to create video lessons, scripting part. Okay, so make sure to click the link below in order to find out how all these things work in with a proper training. Okay, so click the link below. You will going to see. Now before that, understand this one. Okay, so this has a nice headline written. Can you see this? 15 minutes into 15 days yoga mobility challenge. Increase your flexibility, range of motion, energize your body, and improve your yoga skills in 15 minutes a day. Okay, so it directly represent, like it directly saying, what is this about? For example, 15, ma'am, how much time do I need to devote for, in order to do this exercise? Just 15 minutes, not required 1 hour or 2 hours. Ma'am, when will I get the result? Just 15 days. You will see. You will start seeing the improvement. Okay, can you see this? So you need to kill the objection without saying, but making them feel that yes, this is going to happen. Can you see the number? 15 minutes into 15 days yoga mobility challenge. So if you do not have a headline like this, you should have headline like this. Okay, if you do not have, try to create in this manner. I'm going to show you one formula of crafting a headline, which I have shared already, the viral headline formula that works in online business of yoga. Okay, so make sure to click the link in the description and check it out. Okay, so yeah, these numbers are unreal. Like, can you see this? 36,417 learners she attracted at a price point of 5,559 rupees. If you multiply 36,417 students who have enrolled in this course into 500,559 is equal to 2 crore 3,57,103 rupees this single 3 hours of course has generated. Can you see the power? And if you're somebody who don't know about all these things, I strongly recommend you click the link below and you know join the training. And this channel is especially designed for yoga teacher, so make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon. If you like it, hit the like button, and if you have something to say, then watch, like, you can drop down your comment in the view. And if you want what kind of, and if you have something to say, please drop down in the comment box. And if you are somebody who is a yoga teacher, yoga practitioner, yoga trainer, yoga instructor, I am telling you this channel is going to be a game changer for you. This channel is especially designed for yoga teachers, yoga instructor, whosoever is in the yoga domain who is planning to teach or practicing yoga. Okay, this channel is not for teaching yoga. This channel is for teaching yoga teachers how to teach yoga. Okay, how to build a yoga business online, how to attract client online, how to set a automation. So this is what we are going to cover through this entire journey of you know online yoga business channel. Fine, so do subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. And I strongly recommend you to watch the next video as well. Okay, I hope you now get the point of this headline, and you get some kind of motivation, correct? See, my aim is to make you understand that online yoga business is easy. Okay, and with the help of channel, and with the help of this channel, I'm going to help you out how you can do it. Okay, subscribe to this channel, like it, comment it, whatever the question you are having, whatever the doubts you are having, comment down and let me know. And watch the next video. In that particular next video, I'm going to tell you how you can get clients online, yoga clients online, and how you can increase your yoga client base. Okay, so watch the next video. Before you watching the next video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.